Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this simple vegetable fried rice recipe. So these are all my ingredients. I have some uncooked broccoli and carrots, which I've already gone ahead and prepped. I have some plain rice over here, which was just cooked in salt water. I have my seasonings, all-purpose seasoning, turmeric, black pepper, dried thyme. I have some tricolor bell peppers, scallion, onion, mushroom, and I'm going to be using some unrefined coconut oil. Feel free to use vegetables of choice, okay? If you don't like a specific vegetable, you can always switch it out for something else. So allow this to saute for about a minute, then add the bell peppers. So I'm going to let this saute for about a minute before adding the rice. I still want my broccoli to be crunchy, okay? Please don't cover your pot, because if you cover your pot, your vegetables are going to sweat and they're going to be soggy, okay? So after that minute, I'm going to add the rice, stir up the pot nicely and give this about 5 to 10 minutes, and then vegetable fried rice up and running. I know a lot of fried rice calls for some sort of sauce, whether it be soy sauce or coconut aminos, but this right here was just perfect. I didn't need any sauce, but if you want to add sauce, go right ahead. So right here I'm adding some more turmeric, and you can also add some more seasoning if you want at this point if necessary. So you're gonna stir this up nicely and give this about 5 to 10 minutes. As you can tell right here, vegetable fried rice is looking amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is to top this off with some scallion, give it another stir, and vegetable fried rice up and ready to eat. This vegetable fried rice was simple and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for some more amazing recipes.